Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Ethereum wallet address on Coinbase. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to send yourself Ethereum. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is open up Coinbase. Next, you want to click on transfer, which is on the bottom right. Afterwards, you want to click on receive crypto. Now from here, you're going to see a variety of different crypto coins. What you need to do is click on the Ethereum coin. Next, click on Ethereum default. And so this is where you're going to find your Ethereum wallet address. So keep in mind, you do not want to send any NFTs or wrapped Ethereum or ERC20s to this address. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Ethereum wallet address on Coinbase. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.